Why do you need to install Ford Focus wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Ford Focus wheel spacers are a common modification for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Ford Focus wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing Ford Focus wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Ford Focus wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Ford Focus wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford Focus wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer, and the BONOSS Ford Focus wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than a Hub-Centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the BONOSS Ford Focus wheel spacers are designed with heat dispersion grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Ford Focus, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric